Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your Earbuds SOUNDCORE R50i from your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And at the right side we have disconnect, so we need to tap on it. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So disconnect, leave your device at the device list but stop Bluetooth connection with your device. And unpair, just remove your device totally from your phone. Now let's tap on it, and as you can see, we stopped Bluetooth connection, so we're not connected with these earbuds, but we have it at the device list, so we can reconnect it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!